Obete, Enugu, Omane Berafia. Oh, okay. The crowd following Ebuka Obi. They follow, give them. In there, we go to heaven. Even my grave will work miracle. I was born like this. But when there is no amount of propaganda that can stop the move. There is no amount of propaganda that can stop the move of God. The more you talk, Tuesday night is becoming like a foolish fellowship.
After Evangelist
The more you talk, the more
Ebuka Mister IBU, John Okafor, money to fake miracle in his church. Evangelist Ebuka Obi says he doesn't know who Mister IBU is because he doesn't watch Nollywood movies. Nollywood actor, John Okafor, popularly known as Mister IBU, had undergone a surgery that saw the amputation of one of his legs. He underwent 7 surgeries before the amputation. One of Mister IBU's legs had to be amputated to keep him alive and aid his recovery process. The family had appealed to the public for more financial support to enable them take care of his medical bills. A post from the family reads, "We want to appreciate everyone that has come through for our dad. Saying we are grateful is an understatement, and only the good Lord can thank you all enough for every help you've rendered." As of 1 p.m., noon today, Daddy has gone through 7 successful surgeries, but to keep him alive and increase his chances of recovery, one of his legs had to be amputated. This development has been hard on us all, but we've had to accept it as Daddy's new reality to keep him alive. Please, we are still soliciting support from well-meaning Nigerians at this stage. Daddy is still one very delicate one and he needs all the help he can get. Thank you, everyone. The Okafor family is grateful and we don't take you for granted. In due time, Daddy will personally acknowledge everyone who supported during this period as soon as he's stable. Meanwhile, Mister IBU's wife and daughter are reportedly fighting over IBU's donation for surgery. Mrs. IBU had withdrawn 1 million naira from her account using the donated money. Since then, opinions on the charges have varied widely, with some criticizing Jasmine Okafor, IBU's daughter, for meddling too much in his marriage, and others questioning the motivations of Okafor's wife. Mister IBU's foot sickness remains a mysterious and ongoing battle for the Nigerian comedy legend. Meanwhile, the specific details of his condition may not be publicly disclosed. It is crucial to recognize the resilience and determination he has shown in facing this health challenge. Fans and supporters are requested to lend our support and understanding as Mister IBU continues to navigate this journey.